Today, we're testing the Purple Restore Premier to see if it's really worth the $3.1K price tag. We put this mattress through our battery of 10 objective and data-driven tests using thermal imagery for cooling, an accelerometer for motion transfer, high-speed video to measure response speed, and 7 other performance tests. The Restore Premier is the most expensive mattress within Purple's new Restore line that launched in the summer of 2023. When we look at our objective performance scores, we see the Restore Premier scores well, but not better than the less expensive Restore Plus. Across the categories, its performance is mixed. Response time scored a perfect 10 out of 10, followed by cooling, edge support, sex, pressure relief, and company, all in the high 9s. From there, motion transfer scored an 8.2, while off-gassing scored a surprising 7.9. This makes the overall performance score for the Purple Restore Premier a 9.47. For reference, the average performance score across the 175 plus mattresses tested to date is a 9.52, and the Purple Restore Plus scored a 9.57. The Purple Restore Premier mattress comes in 2 firmnesses, soft and firm. We tested the firm version and it had a medium firm feel, 6 out of 10 on the firmness scale, where 10 is the most firm. Based on this assessment and the material feel, I would estimate the soft version to be a 4 out of 10 on the firmness scale. Next, we're going to talk through what the Purple Restore Premier does best. First, as with all Purple mattresses, the Restore Premier has an extremely fast material response. In fact, it is among the fastest recorded response times we've tested to date. Second, it has great cooling performance. From the support coils, Purple grid, and polyfoam that encase the grid, the mattress provides good airflow and minimal heat retention. Third, the edge support performance is excellent. The edge is reinforced by stronger coils in the support layer and 3-inch by 4-inch foam layer around the mattress. However, all mattresses aren't ideal for all sleepers. Let's talk through the important consideration points for the Purple Restore Premier. First, motion transfer is fairly high. At this intensity, it may not be a great recommendation for sleepers who are at all sensitive to movements during the night. Second, the price of the Restore Premier is a good deal more expensive than the average mattress based on all of our tests. It's also $600 more expensive than the Purple Restore Plus while having similar performance. Your body weight and sleeping position impact the types of mattress that are best able to support you. Our analysis is designed to help match the correct mattress to the right body types and sleeping positions. The Purple Restore Premier has excellent support. During our test, I felt well supported in all sleeping positions. When it comes to support, strong and quality materials are essential. With the Restore Premier, we have a 3-inch comfort layer via the Purple grid on top of a 10-inch support coil unit. This gives the mattress a total thickness of 13 inches. On average, mattresses we've tested are 11.9 inches thick with a 4.2-inch comfort layer and a 7.7-inch support layer. The Restore Premier's total profile and support layer exceed the average. While the comfort layer is south of average, given the high performance pressure relief the Purple grid is capable of, it's able to get away with having a slightly thinner profile. Given the total thickness, material quality, material types, and mattress design, I'm confident that most sleepers will find the support is more than sufficient. Be sure to visit us over at naplab.com/mattress-quiz. There, you can submit your needs and preferences, and we'll send you back a personalized recommendation based on your inputs. Next up, we're going to move on to our individual performance tests. At NapLab, we test each mattress by analyzing according to 10 different factors that impact the feel, comfort, and performance. First up, we have our cooling test. To measure cooling, we lie on the mattress for 15 minutes, allowing it to absorb body heat. Then we get off the mattress and take periodic measurements of the surface level temperature. Our tests show how the mattress retains and releases heat and overall cooling performance. Mattresses that breathe better, retain less heat, and sleep cooler are better as they allow sleepers to maintain a comfortable temperature. The Purple Restore Premier has excellent cooling. During our test, I felt no significant level of heat retention. The mattress breathes well and doesn't retain heat. In our objective temperature testing, we measured a max surface level temp of 91.3 degrees Fahrenheit. After getting off the mattress, the temperature dropped by 3.8 degrees from minute 0 to 1, and then by 5.1 degrees from minute 0 to 5. In my view, the cooling performance is a notable step down from the now discontinued Purple Hybrid Premier 4 and Purple Hybrid Premier 3 mattresses. I found both of those mattresses to be a 10 out of 10 with respect to cooling performance. The foam materials on the new Restore line are perfectly fine quality, but don't appear to be at the same level as the previous Purple Hybrid mattress. In addition, the cover feels notably thicker and doesn't allow air to flow as easily. All I have to say, cooling isn't bad by any stretch. It's excellent, in fact, but in my view, it is worse than the previous Purple Hybrid Premier series. For the sinkage test, we lie on the mattress. In addition, we use a 12-pound medicine ball to test pressure point sinkage. Deeper sinkage can cause sleepers to feel overly enveloped by the material layers, while less sinkage can make you feel that you're sleeping more on top of the mattress as opposed to in it. Sinkage is a preference factor. Some prefer more, others less. In our pressure point test, we measured a sinkage depth of 1.82 inches. This is 0.36 inches less sinkage than the average of 2.18 inches. The mattress creates more of a floating feeling for my arms, legs, and head. However, my midsection and butt do sink more notably down into the mattress. For the portions of my body that are sinking further down, the mattress has a moderate level of body contouring hug. It's not as dramatic, exacting, or sharp as memory foam is going to be, but it still does wrap and contour the body. To test motion transfer, we place one 12-pound medicine ball on one side of the mattress and drop another 12-pound medicine ball on the opposite side. In addition, we use an accelerometer to objectively measure the motion generated by the medicine ball drop. Lower motion transfer is better as it helps sleeping partners avoid disturbing each other during the night. The Purple Restore Premier has a high level of motion transfer. In our test, we measured 12.36 meters per second squared of acceleration. This is 49% higher than the average acceleration found in our test, which is 8.32 meters per second squared. The firmer feel and thick 10-inch pocketed coil base work together to create more motion. In our motion transfer chart, which visualizes our accelerometer data, we see the highest motion spike from 0 to 0.21 seconds. Motion drops into a moderate range after 0.21 seconds, but it's not until 1.20 seconds that we return to near zero levels. Neither the motion spike nor motion duration are particularly great. Mattresses with the lowest motion are able to disperse all energy within 0.3 seconds. Needless to say, Purple Restore Premier is far from that mark. To test response time, we place a 12-pound medicine ball on the mattress. Once it's fully at rest, we then quickly remove it and objectively measure the amount of time it takes for the mattress to recover and resume its original shape. A faster response time is better as quicker responding material layers better adapt to your changes in movement and prevent any type of a stuck feeling. The Purple Restore Premier has an extremely fast response. In our test, we measured a mostly recovered response time of 0.2 seconds and a fully recovered response time of 0.3 seconds. At these speeds, the material rebounds back to shape effectively instantly. The Restore Premier is tied for first with a number of other mattresses as the fastest responsiveness we've tested to date. To run the bounce test, we drop a 12-pound medicine ball onto the mattress. We measure the maximum depth the ball sinks to before rebounding up, as well as the maximum height achieved on the bounce. Bounce is the preference factor. Some prefer more, others less. However, more bounce is typically better than less as it improves his movement, aids in response time, and improves sex performance. The Purple Restore Premier has a moderate level of bounce. In our test, we measured a total bounce height of 9.46 inches. This is 0.16 inches less bounce than the average of 9.62 inches. This is a relatively low level of bounce, especially for a Purple. Purple's gel pad, when placed on top of coils, generally creates a high level of bounce. Comparing all Purple mattresses we've tested to date, we've seen an average bounce height of 13.01 inches. This super high level of bounce greatly enhances sex and ease of movement, but can also create a less desirable trampoline feel for some. The Restore Premier's 9.46-inch bounce is far more restrained, while still being high enough to experience the benefits of sex and easy movement. For an assessment of edge support, I lie on and sit on the edge of the mattress to measure the level of support and compression. Less linkage while sitting and lying directly on the edge of the mattress is better as it creates a more supportive edge for sleeping, lounging, and amorous activities. The Purple Restore Premier has excellent sitting edge support and exceptional lying edge support. In our sitting edge support test, we measured a sitting edge sinkage of 3.25 inches. This is 0.91 inches less sinkage than the average of 4.16 inches. In general, I want to see 4 inches of sitting edge compression or less. The Restore Premier easily hit that mark.
You're shirtless doing good.
Yeah, so we'll be better than that. Like, oh, I'm busy, I'm working here. Very hard at work.
Say that.
Oh, jeez.
Working very hard.
Working very hard, right? That lying edge support was even more impressive. During our test, I felt well supported in all sleeping positions, even when lying directly on the edge of the mattress. Mattress uses both a polyfoam that encases the gel pad and reinforced edge coils in the coil unit. Foam is 3 inches tall and 4 inches wide. The foam layer is further supported by reinforced coils at the absolute edge of the mattress. These two material choices work together to create great support for both sitting and lying. Our sex test uses a weighted formula to assess sex performance. Higher bounce and more supportive edges are the most important factors, with noise, pressure relief, and cooling being lesser weighted inputs. Mattresses with more bounce and better edge support perform better for sex, as do mattresses that don't make as much noise and are more comfortable to lie on. Purple Restore Premier, these individual factors generated a sex score of 9.9. The mattress has a moderate level of bounce and excellent edge support. These two factors make up 80% of the Sinkage performance score and contribute to fantastic performance in this category. Noise is minimal, and pressure relief and cooling are both excellent. All things considered, the Purple Restore Premier is everything you'd want in a mattress designed for good sex. Our pressure relief test is a measure of overall pressure relief performance. We analyze materials, layers, thicknesses, density, and design elements in conjunction with a subjective assessment of our experience while lying on the mattress. Mattresses with better pressure relief are able to create a more comfortable sleeping surface. The Purple Restore Premier has excellent pressure relief. In our test, I felt no significant level of pressure point buildup anywhere on my body. I was unsurprised by the strong level of pressure relief and overall comfort. Over the years, virtually every Purple mattress I've tested has had excellent or exceptional level of pressure relief. As long as the mattress contains at least 3 inches of the gel pad, known as the Purple Grid, the performance is solid. With the Purple Restore Premier, we have a 3-inch layer of the gel pad on top of a 10-inch zone coil unit. These two materials work well together to provide ample pressure relief and a balanced but strong level of support. I expect most sleepers will find the level of pressure relief to be perfectly sufficient. To evaluate off-gassing, we assess the mattress following the initial unboxing, taking a subjective measure of any strong smells. We monitor the mattress over a period of days until the mattress no longer has a strong odor. Mattresses with a less strong odor and/or an odor that dissipates more quickly are better. Off-gassing on the Purple Restore Premier is strong when it initially is unboxed. The odor took 26 days to fully dissipate, which is significantly longer than average. The average time span for off-gassing is 4.72 days, comparing the 170 plus mattresses we've tested to date. The company score takes a look at the factors that may influence your experience with the mattress. Factors include length of the trial period, warranty, shipping costs, return costs, and country of origin. For Purple, these individual terms and conditions generated a company score of 9.8. Purple mattresses come with a 100-night trial period and a 10-year warranty. Shipping is free and returns are also free. Compared to the average, Purple has a 38% shorter trial and a 40% shorter warranty period as well. Even so, 100 nights should be long enough for most sleepers to make a decision. I would recommend the Purple Restore Premier for sleepers who love the feel of Purple's gel pad grid. Its unique design offers a balanced feel where lighter body parts somewhat float, while heavier parts are enveloped in a satisfying hug and contour. It also offers reliably great ease of movement with high bounce and an extremely fast material response time. However, its bounce is relatively on the low end relative to other Purple mattresses. Furthermore, I would recommend the mattress for its excellent cooling and exceptional edge support. However, given the price point, I expected the performance to be performance. All things considered, this is a perfectly fine mattress. However, given the price point, I expected the performance to be considerably better. In my view, there is no compelling reason to purchase the Restore Premier when the Purple Restore Plus has the same level of performance for notably less money. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope they're helpful. Comments and questions, please drop us those notes down below. If you're interested in buying the Purple, we've got a link in the description. For more from NapLab, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at naplab.com. As always, thank you so much for watching. Well guys, that's it for this review. I hope it's helpful. Comment help. This is terrible. Comment help. Comment help me with your common help. Oh man, it's a struggle. It's a struggle. All right. Well guys, that's damn. Like once it starts, you can't stop.
It's true.
All right. Yeah.
It's true.